right, so you guys, it is storytelling time with Miss Kristen. Okay, so hello. Okay, we have some very interesting stories for today. We have a couple of funny ones that I'm sure you guys will have an absolute blast hearing today. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? All right, so Miss Kristen's going to go ahead and show you what we're going to be reading today. Here's our books for today. Okay, we're going to be reading a book called Don't Push the Button. Okay, here we go. Don't Push the Button. Written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. There's only one rule. Welcome to my book. Don't push the button. Okay? So there's one rule. Don't push the button. Okay? Everybody know? Everybody understand? Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Should we push the button, you guys? Should we do it? Okay. Now I'm yellow. Push it again. All right, everybody push the button again. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Okay, let's push it 2 more times. Okay, push it 2 more times. Oh, once more. Eek! And now I'm yellow and polka dot. Ah! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Push the button. Push it, push, 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 push. Oh, nothing really happened. Maybe push it 2 more times. Push it 2 more times. Push it, push, 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 push. Oh, again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do you think that button did all this? There's a lot of little monsters, all because we pushed the button. Oh my goodness. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Okay, maybe we should shake. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, well, some of them are gone. Almost. A little more. Just a little more. All right. Shake, 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 shake. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Okay, my friends. So maybe we should scratch Larry's tummy. Should we try doing that? Okay. So everyone scratch Larry's tummy. Scratch his tummy. Scratch, 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 scratch. Okay. Let's see. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. All right, push it again. The end. There we go. See? Wow, what a cute book.
Okay, so my friends, are you guys ready to read our next one? Our next one? That one was a pretty funny book. I liked it a lot. Okay, we're gonna do The Monster at the End of This Book, starring lovable furry old Grover. Hello, everybody! The Monster at the End of This Book by Jon Stone, illustrated by Michael Smolin. This is a very dull page. What is on the next page? What did you say? On the first page? What did that say? What did that say there? Will be a monster at the end of this book? It did? Oh, I'm so scared of monsters. Shh. Listen, I have an idea. If you don't turn any pages, we will never get to the end of this book. And that is good, because there is a monster at the end of this book. So please, do not turn the page. What should we do? Should we turn the page? I don't know. Miss Kristen's so afraid of monsters, so I don't think I want to turn the page. Do you guys want to turn the page? I don't know. Should we? Oh, okay. Let's turn it. Oh, you turned the page! Maybe you do not understand. You see, turning pages will bring us to the end of this book, and there is a monster at the end of this book. But this will stop you from turning pages. See? I am tying the pages together so you cannot. Do you guys think that we can keep turning the pages? Maybe. You want to try to turn it? Okay, let's try to turn the page. You turned another page! You do not know what you are doing to me. Now, stop turning pages! Well, shall we turn another one? There! I, Grover, am nailing this page to the next one so that you will not be able to turn it, and we will not get any closer to the monster at the end of this book. Bonk, bam, blonk, blonk. Do you think this will stop us? Do you think we should still turn the page? I don't know. Maybe we'll keep going. We'll try. Okay, ready? Everyone turn the page. Okay, ready? Pull, 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 pull. All right, all right, all right. Do you know that every time you turn another page, you not only get us closer to the monster at the end of this book, but you make a terrible mess? Oof. This will stop you from turning pages. A heavy, thick, solid, strong brick wall. I would just like to see you try to turn this page. Do you think we can turn it? Maybe I don't know. I might need your help, you guys. But do we really want to turn the page to see the monster? Oh, I don't know. I'm so scared of monsters, though. Are you guys brave? Just maybe. Okay, you guys can be brave for Miss Kristen because Miss Kristen's very, very scared of monsters. Okay, ready? Everyone grab a page. Grab it, and then turn. Turn, 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 turn. Do you know that you are very strong? Uh-oh. Grover, I hope you're okay, because it doesn't look like it. The next page is the end of this book, and there is a monster at the end of this book. Oh, I'm so scared. Please, don't turn the page. Please, please, please. Should we turn it? Should we turn it? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Shall we turn it? If you want to turn the page, everyone say, turn the page. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's grab the page. Get ready. We're gonna turn it. Well, look at that. This is the end of the book, and the only one here is me. I, lovable furry old Grover, am the monster at the end of this book. And you were so scared. The end. I told you and told you there was nothing to be afraid of. Was that true, you guys? Oh, I am so embarrassed. Oh boy. Well, was that very true, you guys? Were we the ones that were scared? No, we weren't afraid. Well, Miss Kristen was afraid. You guys were actually very, very brave. Grover was the one who was really afraid. Okay, so my friends, that was a pretty funny book, huh? I like Grover. Grover is a very, very funny character. Okay, so now, my friends, we're going to read Petey the Cat. I love my white shoes. Okay. Petey the Cat. I love my white shoes. Story by Eric Tilwin. Art by James Dean. Petey the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Petey loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh no! Petey stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? What color do you think his shoes turned? If he stepped on strawberries, I wonder what color it is. Red. Did Petey cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Everything is cool. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! Petey stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? What color do you think his shoes turned, my friends? He stepped in something blue because they're blueberries. So what color did they turn? Blue! You guys were right. Did Petey cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Awesome. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Petey stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did his shoes turn? Oh my goodness, what color did his shoes turn, my friends? Can you guys guess what it is? Let's see. Brown. Did Petey cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Groovy. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no! Petey stepped in a bucket of water. And all the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? What color were his shoes before he stepped on all of these things? Do you guys remember? Well, let's check it out. They were white, but now they're wet. Did Petey cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Rock and roll. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Squeak, squeak, squeak. The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good. The end. So, my friends, should we cry when we step in a puddle? No. Shall we cry if our shoes turn a different color? No, probably not. Okay, we just make it the best. Okay, perfect. So, my friends, we're going to read this one. Oop. Here we go. All right. The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Carle. The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. There's the little egg right there. On one Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. Okay, there's a pears, 1 and 2, and he ate right through them. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. See, 1, 2, 3. And he ate right through them. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. That's right, he was still hungry. Okay, so here, how many strawberries did he eat? 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's where he ate them. He ate them right here and here and here and through here. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. He was still hungry. He ate through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and a slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. Oh no. Do you guys think he should have eaten so much? Maybe not. Oh, if you guys ate that many things, and I'm sure you guys would get a stomach ache too. Miss Kristen would definitely get a stomach ache if she ate all of those kinds of foods at once. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf. And after that, he felt much better. So he ate through so much of the leaf. See of all these little holes? Oh my goodness. Oh, now he wasn't hungry anymore. And he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon and pushed it way out. And then he was a beautiful butterfly. The end. Whoa. He was so little, and then he became a big, big, big fat caterpillar, and then he turned into a beautiful butterfly. Whoa, super cool, huh? That was beautiful. He looks so beautiful now. So that's how you guys are going to grow too. So you guys start off as little tiny small people, and then when you grow and grow and grow, you get taller and bigger and smarter. Okay? So my friends are going to read one of our last books. Okay? Bear came along. Once there was a river that flowed night and day, but it didn't know it was a river until Bear came along. Bear was just being curious. When he realized what the river could do. But he didn't know he was on an adventure until Froggy hopped on. Bloop. Froggy was a lonely frog who was looking for a friend, but she didn't know how many she had. Until the turtle showed up. The turtle tried to warn them about the things that could go wrong, but they didn't know how to enjoy the ride. Uh-oh. Until Beaver climbed aboard. Here's Beaver. Beaver was born to captain. He knew exactly where to go, but he didn't know about the detours until the raccoons dropped in. The raccoons were so excited about the twists and turns ahead, but they didn't know they had to be careful. Uh-oh, I think they're going a little too fast, everybody. Maybe it might not be a good idea to go that fast. Until they crashed into Duck. Quack, quack. Duck was so content being right where she was, but she didn't know there was a world to see until uh-oh. What's gonna happen? Oh no! They're about to fall off! Bear held on to Froggy. Froggy held on to Turtle. Turtles held on to Beaver. Beaver held on to raccoons. Raccoons held on to the duck. And oh, what a ride! So many different animals living their separate ways, but they didn't know they were in it together until the river came along. So they all became friends by the river. The river all brought them together, and they all ended up becoming friends. So everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed all of the stories that we had today. We had so many, and I hope you like some of them, and if not all of them. So my friends, I will see you guys again soon. See you guys later.